golden hour on Kata Beach on Phuket Island in Thailand. Look at the sunset that is on its way down, as we have only now 13 minutes exactly until the sunset. It is almost 6 p.m. right now, in just 1 minute, and the sunset is at 6:12 today. So the day is getting shorter, but here on the southern hemisphere, it's still a bit longer compared to Sweden, where it is getting, the sunset is like 2:30 p.m. right now. And yes, it is time for the last swim of today, the sunset swim at Kata Beach. So, despite the forecast saying that it was going to rain, I barely see any rain today. It was mostly cloudy and sunny as well. So, yes, Kata Beach is known not just for its beauty and the sandy, long beach, but also for these boats that are docked close to the shore. And yeah, it is facing west, obviously, so we can see the sunset also at the beach. And believe it or not, it is still 29 degrees Celsius in the air, despite being also close to sunset right now. And it looks absolutely stunning indeed. Now let's dive in for the last swim of today and enjoy in the beautiful Andaman Sea, part of the Indian Ocean. Beautiful indeed. Very beautiful. I'm just keeping quiet so you can enjoy the view to the maximum as much as I do. Golden hour at Kata Beach. It's so beautiful. I'm just following the sun in that direction, which is very shallow in the water over here. And this is the same spot that I took a swim earlier today. So beautiful indeed. And ready, set, let's go. It is very shallow over here, but I really wanted to take a swim, as if I go a bit more in the deeper, I wouldn't be able to see the sunset, which is pretty amazing. Yeah, you see now the sun is behind the island. So yeah, lots of people I see on the beach now are taking photos of the sunset, and that's what I'm gonna do as well. I also was doing some videos as well, some dances. So yes, sunset swim at Kata Beach, Thailand. Beautiful golden hour over here. So that is a wrap from Kata Beach on this 15th of December 2024 with 29 degrees Celsius both in the air and in the sea. So thank you so much for watching this episode, and I'm gonna definitely see you soon again with another beach adventure on the channel, Beach Adventures It freeze!